Yep.
Into that money, but I'ma come through and I'ma fuck you to a real nigga that always in the field, probably finesse and probably out here Jordan. I want to take a mind out.
I ain't looking up yet, though. I got to look that bitch up. Excuse me, Joe. Excuse me.
Shit it all on the nigga here right here. All right, now.
living my life like Benny. I just might wake up once a
A reward for information leading to the arrest of the Memphis.
my face familiar.
DJ Ghost, let's go. Female in the building. Your boy DJ Ghost, man. What's up? Let's go.
Come on now, baby. We got something for you, so come on,
Hey, Doodoo. Doodoo, you want it to the back, baby. You want it to the back. You got a trophy to your Doodoo. Come on over. Represent. You got a trophy. Come on over. In the meantime.
Fuck it, fly to me today. I do not wait in line. I do not pay for time. I do not offer, baby. So no bitch, I'm really yeah, my no man ever know about my last name. Well, being even market. I want my bag, 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 my bag. My bag.
one though.
Mm-hmm.
I got a C10 coming for that one.
Oh, yeah? All right.